Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Hatchimal surprise fold. So to begin with this, we're going to fold our paper in half. So you just want to take your paper, line up the corners, and fold it in half just like this. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it down here. So I'm just going to line up my corners down here and I'm just going to fold it like this. I'm going to run over it a couple times just to make sure that it's nice and flat. Okay, now we need to turn this into an egg. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm just going to make a nice big kind of oval shape for my egg. I'm going to try to keep it a little bit rounder at the bottom and I want to keep it a little bit pointier at the top here. Now, right in the middle of this, I want to make a little heart shape. So I'm going to start here, just above the fold, and I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves around, and then it's going to come down to here. It's like a little hook. Then I want to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to make that same hook shape, and I'm just going to come down right to there. So now when I open it up, I have two halves of my little egg shape. I've got the top and the bottom. So what I want to do next is I want to make these parts a little bit longer and these parts a little bit longer. So I'm going to take this line and I'm going to draw it down a little farther and then do the same thing on this side. And then I also want to draw this heart shape down a little bit farther as well. And then you want to do the same thing here. Draw this line up a little bit more. Same thing with this one. And then draw these lines up a little bit more. That way, when we start adding details, we won't accidentally see our details popping through here. So, the first thing we want to do is we want to make it look like the egg is broken. So, real simple, just make a zigzag line that goes straight across. So I'm just going to make a zigzag line and I'm going to put some different size zigzags all the way across. Some can be smaller, some can be a little bit bigger. And then you want to do the same thing down here. Just make some different size little zigzags and then just end it right there. Now, there are lots of different Hatchimals that you guys can put in here. We're just going to keep it simple and we'll just draw the penguin one. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down to this fold part. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, draw a line that just kind of curves down to the fold. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just curves down to here. And then a line that's just going to curve down to here for the body. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out, and then it's going to curve back in for the wing. And then the same thing over here, draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to curve back in for the wing. Now, up here you want to make the eyes. So the eyes are pretty big. So I'm just going to draw a big oval shape right here. And then I want to draw another one and I want to keep it about the same size. So I'm going to draw another oval shape and I want to try to keep it as close as I can to the same size. Now I'm going to draw two more circles in here. So right here I'm going to draw a circle or oval shape right here. And then I'm going to draw a smaller one inside of it like this. Then same thing here, I'm going to draw that oval shape kind of up in the corner of the eye. And then draw a smaller one right here. And then you can just color in that, I guess you'd call it the medium circle because you have three circles, a big one, a medium one, and a small one. So you just want to color in that medium circle on each one of these. And that will be like the pupil. Next, what we want to do is we want to make the beak. So I'm going to start right between the eyes, and I'm just going to draw a little line that kind of looks like a little sad face. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then it's going to come up like this and connect. Then I'm going to make a little smiley face underneath here for a little open mouth. And then I'm going to draw a little bit longer smiley face underneath here. Now, right along here, we want to add the little markings. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go around, and then kind of curve down to here. So same thing on this side, just kind of curve around. It's going to go in, and then kind of curve down to here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve to here, and then a little line that's going to curve to here. And then I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines on the wings just for some little details and kind of like patterns. They're kind of like these little swirly lines on there. So I'm just going to add a couple of these little curved lines onto the wings. Now, the last thing that you want to add onto here are going to be a bunch of the little spots. Now, I'm actually not going to draw these in marker because I think they'll look better if I just do them in colored pencil. So I'm going to add those last, but once you're done with that, you have your Hatchimal Surprise Fold. So when you close it up, you have your little egg, and then when you open, it turns into your Hatchimal. So there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.